Alright guys, this is a brand new video. This is how to make a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm going to be using some white bread basically. You could be using sourdough. The ingredients you'll need are, you can either use this or real butter. I'm going to use real butter. I would recommend mozzarella, and then this is some blend. But yeah, no. Let's get started. I would use real butter and just coat this pretty well. Put 2 pieces of bread. Make sure to get all the butter, and then I'll just time lapse after this is basically cleaned, or not cleaned, cooked. Alright, now that that's basically cooked pretty decently, but this is what my recommendation would be to make this sandwich the best one you've ever had. So this sounds a little weird, but take the mozzarella cheese, take a good bit of it, and then pour it on like that. It'll come along later, just hear me out. And then after you do that, make sure it's, make sure it's evenly spreaded out a little bit. Oh, don't listen to that. And then put your bread in the middle, like that. And this, oh, I put that upside down. Just don't pay attention to that. And after that is good, I'm gonna then let this cook for a moment and then flip it. I'll show you when I flip it. Now that that looks like that, you may say, wow, that's a bunch of burnt cheese. Trust me, it's just crusty cheese that actually tastes very good. And then I would put more butter down, or I'm gonna take this out and butter up the pan. While buttering up the pan, I would use the other cheese mix that you have. Mine's not opened, give me a moment. I would spread the cheese on one side. You already put cheese on it, so I wouldn't worry about too much. And then put it like that. Then put it back in the pan that's been put with butter in it. Now I'm gonna flip the sandwich. Now I'm gonna turn off the stove and wait just a good bit for this to cool down a little bit, and then I'll show you the final result. Alright, now that that's done, let's cut in half and show how much this cheese is now fully melted, and that crust in the middle will taste great. I would just trust me on this. Definitely a good grilled cheese.